If you have a Keurig coffee maker that's only filling up a half a cup, so basically it's not brewing fully, I'm going to help you fix the issue. Now this particular model is a K35, but it doesn't matter what model Keurig you have, pretty much it's the same principle. So what I want you to do is go ahead and unplug it and open it up, and this will expose the funnel and the exit needle right here. Now on the K35, you might have to put a little bit of force to get this open, a little bit of muscle. You might have to use like a little wrench that I have, like that, to pull this up. Some will actually, Keurigs will be a twist where you pull up, and some will be like a little reset button where you just squeeze it. But fortunately, that one's just like that. So let's go ahead and access the exit needle. So we'll get this, and this will actually come in twos on the K35 rather. That just pulls off. That's going to expose the exit needle here. There's a hole here. So what's happened a lot of times, it'll get clogged up with coffee grains. So what you want to do is get like a little safety pin or a paper clip. And I want you to knock any grains out. And then go ahead and click on this. Little holes, there's 4 here. And while you have this out, you might as well sanitize it and clean it and do all that good stuff on it. Let's go ahead and put it back together. And then from here, let's go ahead and put it back in our right back into our Keurig. Okay. Now sometimes what will happen is when you're brewing coffee, sometimes the reservoir will get knocked loose and put back on. Now that will definitely make it to where it will only do a half a cup. It just basically stops right in the middle. So what I would highly recommend you do, especially after you've cleaned the funnel, is to go ahead and descale it. Look at your instructions on how to descale. But one thing you could do is do like a half white vinegar or apple cider vinegar solution and half water, and go ahead and remove any K-cups that's in there, and go ahead and wash it out, and then see if that will fix the issue. A lot of times that will. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.